I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can't seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you, repeat.
Hello everyone, I hope that you guys are having a great day today. We are really just going to clean my home and get it kind of picked up, and it was actually raining these 2 days, but it looks really sunny in my house. I don't know why, but I'm not complaining because I have more energy when it's sunny out, but it was just storming. I don't know why it looks so sunny out in these clips, but we are going to be finishing up this laundry, and then we're going to go into my kitchen and clean that up. And then I have some spring cleaning that I needed to get done and up in the bonus room. But if you are new here, my name is Justine, and my videos are all about cleaning, decorating, organizing DIY projects, all on a budget and with busy schedules. I am a mom of 3, and I also work full-time from home as well as go to college, and my husband is military. So needless to say, our lives are pretty chaotic, and my kids are in sports, and we have a lot of personal stuff going on in the background that I just cannot talk about yet. But I just wanted to create my channel for you guys so that you have somewhere to go, that you feel comfortable, that you realize that not everyone is perfect, not every home is going to be clean, not every day do you have hours to clean your home. And normally my videos are over a certain amount of days because it does take me a while to clean, and how I rotate my cleaning to fit my schedule. And I'm sure you guys are all just doing the best you can, just like I am. And I recently just upgraded my living room as well, and that was the last video if you guys want to check that out. And I just appreciate all of you guys' support in the comment sections and just on all my videos. You guys have been truly amazing, and just I feel so happy to be here and just giving you guys this content. And I am so happy for all the kindness you guys have shown me continually each week. And I know I'm rambling a little bit, but I just really wanted to say that to my fellow subscribers as well as my supporters that come back to watch all my videos. You guys are truly amazing, and just the support is so overwhelming, and I cannot wait for the future with you guys. But like I said, today's video, we are getting all of this cleaned up. My house was a little messy because we did take a trip over the weekend. So I needed to get some laundry done, get the dishes done, just pick up overall. And this is not that bad, but wait until you see my upstairs. We will get to that.
I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no. They tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets.
Yes, I still love the Dawn Power Wash. It is one of my favorite dish soaps. It really gives it a good clean, and I use it on many other surfaces, so it could be a little bit more pricey, I think, than regular dish soap, but it goes on like every surface. I use it for my trim, my walls, even on oil stains on my shirts. It really is a really good product. Some people say it smells chemically. I don't smell it, but they do have a green apple scent, and that one might be a little less chemically if you're really, really sensitive to smells. But like I said, I don't smell it. I just smell a cleaner. I don't know. Up to you guys. I just wanted to throw that product out there because I know you guys have heard about it and a lot of people are on the fence about it, but I really do love it. And I also just wanted to get that laundry out of the way. I always try to start my day with some laundry just so it's not overwhelming on the weekends. And in today's video, I'm really going to show you guys how I like to spring clean, because I know a lot of YouTubers do like these huge deep cleans that take days, that they're every day they're cleaning. Well, I don't have that kind of time. I'm sorry to admit that, but I don't. I honestly just break it up into my regular cleaning routine, and I will add little bits of deep cleaning into my regular cleaning routine, if that makes sense. You'll see throughout my videos, yes, I said it's spring cleaning because it is spring cleaning to me, but it's not these huge spring cleaning episodes of where you just get overwhelmed, because I cannot start a project like that, especially during the week. It will never get finished. So, I do try to break it up into my regular cleaning, and like the back patio, that will be in the next video, as well as my garage. The garage is one of the biggest tasks for us always because of how much stuff is out there, and that one will be an extreme spring clean with me and my garage, organize, declutter. That we are tackling this weekend, and I'm preparing myself for it because it is such a big undertaking, but it takes us 2 days of pretty much just strictly cleaning. It's one of those projects, once you start, you can't stop because everything goes outside of the garage so you can clean it. But I know I'm rambling a little bit again. It's just, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of how I tackle this every year, because I know a lot of us get overwhelmed by spring cleaning, and I'm trying to not do that. And this is the best way I have found that I do not get overwhelmed.
I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
This is just my Jaws granite cleaner. I love the Jaws products. I know I say it every video, but they are just truly amazing, and you get the little pods, so they're just easy to refill. They're not extra bottles laying around. I do love this stuff. I pulled out the granite cleaner, and then I'm just going to use a Norwex microfiber towel and clean that up. And in case you missed it, I did do a huge decluttering series right before my spring cleaning series. So I felt like that helped so much with just going into spring cleaning, because I really just had to deep clean certain things. And I already deep cleaned the living room in last week's video of my living room DIY, and then I deep cleaned the kitchen and the Extreme Kitchen Organize and Declutter with Me spring cleaning series. So make sure you go check out those videos, as well as a few of my other videos. There's tons of motivation on this channel, and I'm so happy that you guys are here watching along. And I hope that you guys will continue to stay and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys here.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get up.
Like I said earlier, I really do use the Dawn Power Wash on everything. And so I ended up taking it and using it on my door, because you can't tell because everything's white, But there was just a whole bunch of gunk all over this door because it's our bedroom door, and the kids like to like crawl on it, bang on it, put their fingerprints with food, snot, everything all over it. So I just took a sponge that was wet with some Dawn Power Wash and scrubbed it and then wiped it down with a paper towel. I really do need to figure out if I'm going to repaint these doors or what I'm going to do with them, because they are just so dirty and grimy at this point, and I don't feel like they were properly painted when the construction workers did them. I don't even know if they did. They might have just put builder's paint. I don't know. They just look really badly scuffed up, and they all need picked up and cleaned, as well as all of my walls again. I just repainted my downstairs walls as part of my spring cleaning because I feel like a fresh coat of paint every year helps with all of the fingerprints, the fading from the wiping down, just everything. And you don't have to. I just have extra cans of paint for this reason. And so that's why I went over it this spring. But I also didn't do it last spring because we just moved in. So I don't really think you have to do it every year. I just like the way it looked. But there's already fingerprints all over it from my kids. So now I have to wipe them down again.
I always do. I never think. I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
When the upstairs gets so bad, I will enlist my kids to help. They do have to pick up throughout the week. They do pick up after themselves for the most part, especially my 10-year-old. She has to. But the boys are a lot. They're 4 and 2. So a lot of you parents understand where I'm coming from. They throw toys just to throw toys out of their bins. They don't like them being in the bins. They don't like anything being organized. But they are getting better at helping pick up. But I just had my bonus daughter help me with this because my 2-year-old was at the babysitter because I just got off work and I wanted to clean this before I went and got him. And then my older son, my 4-year-old, he is asleep on the couch downstairs because he fell asleep after school. So I just needed to pick this up. But when it gets really bad and the kids make things such a mess, I will enlist my kids to help me clean up. We always try to pick up at night before bed. I will make sure that they try to pick up their toys at least just somewhat so they're not all over the place. And this room was just a disaster from the just leaving paper clippings and crafts everywhere. And I really needed to deep clean the carpets in here because of my dog's crate being in here. I feel like it makes the whole room smell. I don't know. I hate this crate, but my dogs are just not properly trained when we're away to not eat toys and everything. So that is my fault, but they are crate trained for this reason because I just don't trust them. And I did forget to clean the windows in this video, so I will have to make a note of that and go back up and clean the windows, as well as take down the curtains to wash them in the washer. And I will show you guys how I clean my curtains. It's very simple, and I just like to do it that way because it's so easy and I don't know. It's just quick. That's what I like about it. But we're going to tackle cleaning these floors, and then we're going to move on.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do.
I have the Bissell Pet Pro 2X Heat, I believe, and I will link it down below. But it does have the separate dirty and water tank, which I absolutely wanted it in a vacuum. And it has a dual brush on the bottom to help pick up any dog hair or any clumps. However, it does have I feel like it fills up really fast, if that makes sense. So I do have to empty it like 3 or 4 times, and the water at the top runs out. So I normally have to fill it up twice to do any room in my house. It does take a little bit longer, but it's not that bad, and I actually really like it. It doesn't seem to heat the floor though like I thought it would, because it doesn't make the floor really dry. You know, it doesn't have that heating function, I don't think. It says it does, but unless I just don't know where it's at, it doesn't get the floor completely dry. I do have to turn on a fan or just let it air dry. But I feel like if it did have like a heating option or something that picked up more, like it picks up a lot of water, don't get me wrong, it does because of the dual brush, but it just doesn't have that heating function, I don't believe. And so I feel like if it did, maybe the smell, I don't know. I feel like this room is very stagnant, so I do need to get like a fan or something to make this room better. Because it is always closed off, and I don't want the room to smell like dog. I don't know if it's just me being sensitive and like worried that people can smell my pets. I don't know if anyone else is like that and you really can't, or if you walk into someone's house and you're like, oh my God, they have dogs or cats. You know, I don't want that feeling. I want my house to smell fresh and clean all the time. And so this room really bothers me. We are moving downstairs to clean the stairwell. The carpets really need to clean. There was yogurt, dog hair, everything you can imagine on the steps. But my favorite way to clean my carpets or even my couch, I've mentioned this, is to take some Tide powder, put it in my machine, probably less than a tablespoon. Do not put a lot, or a little less than that, because these tanks are small in the Bissell portable spot cleaners. And then just a little bit of liquid softener, and I swear it just makes my carpets very soft and smooth and smell nice, and it gets the stains out.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
This is the first time I'm using this attachment that I got with my Hoover blade vacuum, and it works pretty well, but there's like this guard that flips up and it causes your vacuum to like jump when you're moving it back. I definitely preferred the one from my Dyson attachment. It didn't have this guard, and I get why they have it, but it closes off the suction and it jumps, so it doesn't actually get a good clean. I felt like it did good as long as you hold down the top of it, and you have to be at a higher angle so the piece doesn't flip up. So there's a lot more power in this, and you have to be more precise with it. And the attachment has like a little hose thing, so like it's easy and flexible. That's one thing I will say. It was really nice to use on the carpets because it was so flexible. But I definitely preferred my Dyson attachment over this one. And I'm going to use my Bissell spot cleaner on the steps, and you will see, I'm showing you guys that there's this tool for the stairs, and it has a corner spot. It has just wide areas, and then it also has a part that goes on the steps to get the curved portion of your step. You'll see me use it a few times. I absolutely love using this tool on the steps. It does take a little bit longer because you are being more precise with it, but it gives my carpet such a deep clean, and it gets in all the corners. I love this little tool.
We can get wide walls with big windows up on the 3rd floor in our chateau. what you want. Why don't we just get a place together?
As you can tell, the steps were super dirty, and I'm just going to empty this out, put this away, and I'm going to get my Bissell Crosswave out. This is my favorite way to clean my floors when I'm in a hurry because it vacuums and mops, and I definitely feel like it was worth it. It is a little pricey, so you can always get the Tinko. I heard that one's a great one, and a lot of people are raving about it. I'd love to try it on my channel, but I just don't have the funds to go buy one right now, especially since I just bought a new vacuum and we just have a lot going on. But you can always look at those and look at reviews or other YouTubers, or hopefully I'll get one here later on, but they are amazing for saving time. It's just kind of like a robot vacuum, but better because you don't have to worry about the robot vacuum not hitting spots. You're still doing it manually, but it does it all at the same time. I love this vacuum, and all I use in it is Mr. Clean, and it works just as well, or Fabuloso, and it just works. I don't use anything else in there. I don't use the Bissell stuff that comes with it. I feel like the off brands work just as well, and it doesn't leave a white cast on my floor, and I do have groove vinyl flooring, so that's a win for me.
Lights are shining bright, my friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us, it's all about us. It's all about us, it's all about us.
I just really needed to pick up everything off the floor, get the suitcase put away all the clothes, make the bed, because I feel like making your bed helps your day so much more. And then I wanted to wipe down my furniture because it just really needed it. And we're going to vacuum, and that will be it for today's video.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for
That will bring us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation and ideas for your own home. I know that my spring cleaning is different than everyone else's, as you can tell in my video. I do my regular routine plus extra. So I deep clean the carpets, I deep clean the stairwell, I just wipe down some doors. You know, just move as you can and only add what you can. Don't overwhelm yourself with the little things. You can always work on it tomorrow. There is no need to try to get everything done in one day so that you're overwhelmed and all you did all day was clean. I don't know how anyone does that, because especially with children, you don't have the time, and that's all right. We all live our own lives and do what we can do. And I hope that if you are new here, that this gave you all of the motivation to stay and hit that subscribe button as well as the alert bell. I do upload 1 to 2 times a week, and I plan to have my garage and more spring cleaning videos like this one out here shortly. And I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you back in my next video.